Good afternoon. Well, I am super excited today because I'm going to get back into the 5-star Fariones Hotel here in Puerto Del Carmen. Now, I can say officially this is the best hotel in Lanzarote, and we're going to see a room. I bumped into Valerie and Nuala and they said, do you want to have a little nose inside because we're stopping here? I said, 5-star room, Fariones, Puerto Del Carmen? Yes, please. So we're going to go and have a look exclusively at one of the rooms here at this beautiful hotel. And of course, you lot are coming with me. So let's go and meet Valerie and Nuala and have a good old nose around their room and find out all about their holiday. Come on, let's go. From the minute you enter the 5-star Fariones Hotel, it screams luxury. Just look at the reception area and the pools outside, and everything around this hotel is immaculate. Now, I have done a video on the whole of the hotel, so make sure to watch that. But I tell you what, I could walk around this place all day. There are so many hidden gems, but we don't have time. This video is all about the rooms, so let's go and meet Valerie and Nuala and have a look at a 5-star room at the 5-star Fariones. Come on, I'm super excited. Wow, look at this. This is just the hallway. Val and Nuala said they're in 210. Let's give it a knock.
Hi,
Valerie, how are you?
Come into my abode.
Come into your abode. Look at it. Wow, I'm super excited. Right then, Valerie and Nuala over there, how are you? Two sisters from where?
Cork.
From Cork.
Yes.
Wow, stopping in this magnificent hotel. I tell you, I am super excited to see this. I was going to show the bedroom, but I've just walked past this. So we've got the sink area here, which is like something out of a film set.
Indeed. And we have makeup. And we have this little mirror, just in case you don't put it on.
Oh, look at
Perfect.
that. Wow, look at that. You got a special mirror.
We got a special mirror, yeah.
And some posh soaps as well.
Posh soap, shampoo, conditioner.
Wow. This is unreal. And look at this. See, we usually
Beautiful, yeah.
We usually leave the bathroom till last, but we're going to start on the bathroom today. Look at this. This is incredible. And it's super modern as well. Super bright. And you get all these shampoos and stuff.
Yes.
Wow. They look posh. Are they
very,
nice?
very posh. Beautiful. Lovely smell, fragrance.
That is gorgeous.
And the doors.
The door, I know, even the doors are
Yeah.
like super posh, aren't they? I love this place already. So leading in there, Val, if you take it away, well, actually, before we get to the bedroom, behind us is all the storage as well.
Yeah.
So we've got a big wardrobe there, plenty of storage for you. Oh, look at, did you see that? The lights came on and everything.
Came on and all drawers.
Wow. And here you've obviously got your safe.
Safe.
Coffee machine. Look at that, what's in there? Oh,
Is that where they were hiding? We couldn't find them.
There you go, Val, see? Right, so there you go, Val. Now you know where the coffee
Fantastic.
is. Have you not spotted that before?
No, never spotted. I'm going to ask her.
Well, there you go. Do you know the reason I know that is because we stopped at the Princess Yaza and it's the same thing. So you've got your little coffee pods here and they go in there. And now you can have yourself a cup of tea and coffee.
Well,
happy days.
That's sorted then.
Happy days. And
Happy
then
days.
You've got a little fridge here.
Yeah.
That also lights up. And you get all the snacks included as well.
Snacks and water, yeah.
I've just got to say, now if you don't, you know the channel, Val. That is my favourite water. It's called Posh Water. It's the poshest water that money can buy. It's not really. It's actually the same price, but I just love the bottle, and it's in a can as well.
Exactly.
Look at that. Right then, so we're in the main bedroom, and Nuala, you're stopping next door, aren't you?
Next door.
So your room exactly the same.
Identical.
Identical, and I'll tell you, blooming, look at this bed. So you've got like two single beds.
Two singles, yeah.
Are they comfortable?
Beautiful.
Really?
Exceptionally, yeah.
I love it. Look at that. So you can lie there. You've got I mean, even like the pillows. Look at the size of those pillows. Wow. Look at that. That's super posh. And then you got a nice TV.
Yes.
Have you been watching any TV?
No.
That is beautiful. You've even got a little phone there in case you need to ring reception. And a beautiful modern lamp as well. And I really like the decorations. It's very modern, isn't it?
Yeah.
Wow. Let's have a little nose over here. So you got a little desk here, some nice paintings. And then Nuala is on
A nice, comfortable sofa.
the nice sofa. Wow. And a little bit of artwork there as well.
That fish, yeah.
I'll tell you what. Have you got a fish in your room?
And a nice little table
Yeah.
for your coffee or your drink.
Are that fresh flowers?
Yeah.
Fresh flowers.
Never.
Yeah.
Wow.
Flowers.
This is the 5-star treatment, isn't it?
Yeah.
This is the 5-star treatment, but the best is yet to come, isn't it?
Exactly.
I need to have a look over there. So take me out onto that terrace. Right, let's go. Oh my. Can you hear that?
Yeah.
Beautiful. The sea lapping
It's
against.
fabulous. Now you can see the whole lot.
Look at. Oh my days. Oh wow. Oh Val, I could sit here
I know,
all
isn't it?
day and just nose at people right
Yeah.
over Playa Grande Beach. And it's quite a sun trap as well, isn't it?
It is, yeah.
And then you can sort of see the bar area there. I was really blown away by the room. It was super modern, but also with the artwork and the little details, it kept that sort of Canarian tradition as well. It was bright, it was light, and it was fully air conditioned as well. I mean, look at this place. What a hotel room. But it's time to sit on the terrace and have a little bit of terrace talk with Val and Nuala and find out all about their holidays overlooking this beautiful beach. So here we are. I'm sitting on the balcony of the 5-star Fariones Hotel with these two lovely ladies, sisters, all the way from Cork, and they treated me to my favourite water, a can of posh water. I tell you what, I feel like royalty. Oh, let me have a sip. Let's get started. So, ladies, you've come all the way from Cork to this 5-star hotel, but you told me you've stopped here before it was refurbed, didn't you?
Several times.
So this is your go-to hotel then?
We haven't been here for a while because of the pandemic. It was before the pandemic.
Yes. Yeah.
It was the last time we were here.
So that was, wow, that was quite a long time ago, wasn't
Yeah.
it? Wow.
Yeah.
So have you been to Lanzarote before?
Yes.
So are you Lanzarote regulars then?
Very much.
If we were going this way, we would come to.
Lanzarote is a very popular
Yeah.
destination for the Irish visitors,
It is,
isn't it?
yes, yeah.
Is it advertised well in Ireland or something?
Very much.
Is it?
Very much, yeah. And Lanzarote is known as a sunshine state, you know?
Yes,
You're
yeah.
almost always guaranteed good weather in Lanzarote.
All year round, 365
Yes,
days a year.
Yeah.
And Puerto Del Carmen's very, very
Yes.
Irish orientated, isn't it?
Very, as opposed to any other island.
Yeah, I think it
It
is.
is,
I think
yeah.
it's more popular than Tenerife and Gran
It is for
Canaria.
the Irish, yeah.
Yeah, it is,
Yeah.
and there's quite a lot to do here. So tell me, before this place, because this place has recently been done out, hasn't it? I mean, it's only a couple of years
It's
since
only
the refurb.
after the pandemic.
Yeah, so it's not long at
They
all. So
worked through it and the pandemic, I think, yeah.
they did indeed, and it's got that new hotel smell, hasn't it? Everything is just
Absolutely,
spot. I mean,
yeah.
that room is just, it's just incredible. It is
Hollywood,
so
as you said,
nice.
yeah.
It is. It's like Hollywood. So what was it like before?
It was
I
good.
loved it before.
It was really
It was
good.
very old-fashioned and
Was the decor quite old-fashioned before?
it was,
It
but it was lovely, quaint.
But the most important thing that this hotel is going from, every room can see the sea.
Ah, okay. So
Every
every
single
single room has a sea
Thank
view.
you.
Yes,
Wow.
and a balcony.
Well, they've put you right on the sea
In the
front.
middle.
Yeah.
I mean, you couldn't have got a better sea view
I
than
know,
that.
it's
It's just
fantastic, yeah.
stunning. I tell you, I've been around and had a look at the grounds, and wow, it's just like a haven, isn't it? It's
It
just
really
so peaceful.
You're isolated here and you need never go outside it and
Yes.
have a wonderful holiday.
Yeah, exactly. You could, and there's so many different pools and
Chill out.
jacuzzis.
Yeah. And
If you
the
go up
food
to
is
the
very good.
rooftop, boom,
You've got a rooftop pool up there.
Yeah.
No, you can take me later and show me.
there now.
Right, we'll go and have a look at that in a bit.
We didn't see it either.
Really? Well, you didn't know where the coffee was,
I
Val.
didn't know where the coffee was.
I didn't either.
You got no chance of finding the rooftop pool if you can't find the
Sunday
coffee. So board basis, you're what, bed and breakfast?
Bed and breakfast.
Okay, could you have gone for like well, I suppose you could have full board here, no?
We could have, but we never did. We always liked going to the restaurants
Out and
at
about.
the top of the hill. And
There's
Yeah.
such
places
a wide
like-
selection of
Yeah, there
restaurants.
is. So you've got the Fariones is quite a Canarian brand. It's not like your Barcelo or anything like that. It's actually a Canarian brand. And then they also own the Princess Yaiza, which is in Playa Blanca, which I've done a video on, by the way. And
we did see that, Valerie. We went to look at it the last time, remember?
Yeah, we did.
We just got to the choir, just to look.
yeah, I mean, the reception is beautiful. I mean, but it's nothing on this place. I thought that the Princess Yaiza was the best hotel on the island, but seeing this place,
You're changing your mind.
100%, I think this is the best hotel on the island, by far.
Wow.
No?
Oh, yeah, definitely.
I
mean,
think so.
you have everything. You needn't even leave your room if you don't want to.
No.
You know, it's fantastic.
Wow.
Really chill out place.
So, what's the breakfast like? Is it nice?
Plentiful.
Plentiful.
Yeah.
Buffet breakfast?
Yeah.
Well, there are chefs right there, and they'll cook an omelette for you.
Right.
They'll fry an egg for you.
Oh, wow.
They'll do a lot of stuff like that. And then there's a lot of
The usual, that's always, you know.
But is there,
Continental
do you
and-
know if there's an option for breakfast? Because I know, like in some of the Princess Yaiza, you can have breakfast in the buffet restaurant, or you can have breakfast in another
there's
restaurant.
just one.
No.
So there's only one
There
restaurant.
isn't
But
any.
it's
No
huge,
option.
absolutely huge.
Is it?
There's 3 big stations, you know.
Wow. And the food's good.
The food is
Lovely.
good. And
Brilliant.
you get a glass of Prosecco. As much as you want of Prosecco, it's right there.
A glass of prosecco in the morning.
Every morning,
morning.
every morning.
So you bang on it from the minute
As
you
much
get up.
as you want. No.
It's all about the 5-star service. I mean, the
Definitely.
Princess Yaiza as well, as I said, is owned by the same people. It's the service that you pay for, isn't it? But here as well, you
The
pay.
service here is
And the view.
brilliant.
You,
The
you,
view
well, here,
makes
yeah.
it.
I was going to say here, you pay for the service, the view, and
Yeah.
I mean, it's just incredible. And you're situated right close to the old town as well, but
Yes.
also very close to the new town. So you're sort of
You're in between.
in
yeah.
between, and it's not that far. And well, if you go up the hill, it's quite hilly to get to the Biosphera, but you can sort of cut this way, can't you, and go
Can
around the
you?
harbour. Yeah. Right, so you've been out and about, you said. You went to the Italian last night.
Yes.
Is there anywhere else? I mean, as Lanzarote regulars, is there anywhere your
Yeah.
favourite places
Valerie
around?
will tell you now.
Maratones.
Maratones, yeah, that's the one that does all the
Family
steak
kind of,
and the meats and
Yeah.
everything, isn't it? Now that place doesn't look much from the outside, does it? Every time I walk
Yeah.
past it,
It's like nothing.
everybody says Maratones, and you sort of walk past it. I mean, they've even just got like a free Coca-Cola sign outside with the name on, haven't they? I mean, they've
Yeah.
not splashed the
No
cash, have they?
expense,
You know,
yeah.
there's no expense spared, but the food's meant to be really good, so you enjoy
Fabulous,
that.
yeah.
And it's good value for money as
We
well,
were
isn't
talking
it?
about going there tonight, were we?
And I mean, beaches and that, are you beach people?
Not really.
No, nor me. I can't stand the beach.
No,
And
not
what about
really.
the pool? Have you been sitting around the pool at all?
Not yet.
No,
No?
no,
No?
not our thing.
Well, that's it. I mean, I can't stand the beach, as everybody knows on here. You get sand everywhere. It drives me mad. And then pool-wise, I can't sit still for more than 5 minutes. I have to be on the move.
Yeah.
I get too bored. So what have you been doing during the day then? Just chilling out and relaxing?
Well, we went up along the strip yesterday.
Oh yes.
And
we went all the way down there. You can't believe the price of the taxis here.
taxis are for nothing, aren't they?
$3.75,
Wow.
$3.95 from here down to the end.
And is that a lot cheaper than back home?
Ah,
€25. That was
Because Ireland's very expensive, isn't it?
very expensive.
I've
Everything.
heard that.
But I think the whole world has gone.
Well, the whole world's gone
Yeah.
crazy. We know that,
We're
Val.
not
The
coming
world's
back.
gone mad.
when we were coming back in the cab. And it's funny, but it's not funny. The bill was how much, Valerie? I saw it coming
This was
up.
going down, and the girl said 460, and Nuala, she
465, I could see it
is
up
in
there.
charge of the money, the kitty. And she was giving me 50. I said, Nuala, give me a fiver. No, but she said it's 46 euro. I said 460.
You thought it was 46?
I really did.
And you would have paid 46
Yeah.
then?
She was giving 50.
You know, I just couldn't
Wow.
believe it. Valerie said, stop.
Stop, it's only
Give them a
460.
fiver, give them a fiver.
Wow. So this is why the Irish people come to Lanzarote then, because it's cheap.
I
It's
could-
cheap eating out
and
and drinking
cheerful,
out. Yeah,
yeah.
it is. It is. And you've got the sun and you've got beautiful views and everything.
Yeah.
It's fabulous. But like I said, I mean, even in this hotel, if you're not into the pools, because there is plenty of pools, just walking around.
Oh, walking around, yeah.
You could just walk around this place all day, couldn't you? And
You could,
there's
yeah,
little. I
yeah.
saw there was like little benches sitting in little gardens
yeah,
and
down around,
and
yeah,
places
yeah.
to there. And that reception area, the reception does it for me.
Oh my gosh.
I mean, the minute I walk in, I'm like, wow, this is incredible.
So friendly.
Really, the staff good?
Fantastic,
Really
fantastic.
friendly. Yeah.
Well, Valerie was telling me, for those of you that don't know, I was doing a Sunday morning live and I was just saying goodbye to everybody and I was just outside the hotel and I heard, Mr. TravelON! And I was like, oh, hang on, there's somebody else to say hello to. And I came round and it was these two stood outside the hotel and I said, blooming hell, are you stopping here? Can I see your room? And they said, yeah, you can. So I'm here, of course. I snapped the opportunity. But Valerie got approached by the manager who said, do you know who that strange man is, didn't he?
Yeah.
Who is that strange man? Did he know who I was?
He said he came in once and everybody was looking at him.
Really?
And he had the camera and that you walked back out.
I popped in, yeah, I did pop in the door and I said hello and then
He
I
said
did.
that.
Yeah, but then before I have come and had a good walk around and they actually let me. I just said, oh, can I go and have a look around? He said, yeah, as long as you don't film any people. So that's why I did the video last time, just around and about. But I mean, to have this opportunity to see the room.
And you were invited.
So there you go.
That's
Ladies, you're the first people I've ever met from Cork as well.
Great.
I meet a lot of people from Dublin,
Yeah.
but Cork.
I'm
There you go.
thrilled.
Now I know. Now I know. So, as you know, if you let me have a little bit of Terrace Talk and come and see your room, I'll tell you what, if you let me come and see the 5-star rooms like this, you should get more. But Mrs. TravelON has made you two a gift. Now, Nuala doesn't even watch the channel, so it'll be a surprise for her. So, Mrs. TravelON's made you a gift. I'm going to go and get it for you now. So, there you go. Mrs. TravelON, the first TravelON merch that is going to Cork in Ireland. For you two lovely ladies.
Thank
There
you,
you go.
Mrs. TravelON.
Get that open and show us what you got. And you are now officially members of the Mug Club, the Mr. TravelON Mug Club. There you go.
love it.
Cheers,
Exclusive.
Cheers.
Oh, fabulous. And how posh
thank
look.
you so much.
5-star mugs for a 5-star hotel. Ladies, you two.
5-star ladies.
5-star ladies, exactly. You two have been absolutely amazing.
So well.
Thank you.
I'm
happy.
so grateful for letting me have a look at this room, and I know you guys back home are as well, because it's not every day you get to see a 5-star room in the Fariones Hotel. So there you go. Make sure to like, follow and subscribe. From me, a little bit of 5-star treatment, and from these two lovely ladies, sisters, give us a wave. We'll see you in the next video. See you later.